Too late. The brain. Right? Y'all have one. So, a lot of convolutions. The raised areas are called
Gyrus.
gyrus, gyri. The
Not
sunken
gyrus,
areas
but
are
gyrus.
sulcus. You can see that there is a definite division. So we have a right and left hemisphere, correct?
Mhm.
This whole region of the brain is the what? The whole region.
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum. This is your thinking part of the brain. This lobe, frontal for movement, motor. This
Parietal.
for
Pain.
sensory. This
Occipital.
for
Vision.
this
Temporal.
for,
Hearing.
and even in the model here, I really can't pin the insula, right?
Mhm.
So then if we take the brain and do a sagittal section here, this part, this is the medulla oblongata. Heartbeat, right? All your basic body functions, breathing. The pons, relay station, also helps to regulate breathing. And this is the,
Midbrain.
now the pituitary gland is right here. See that? Hanging down. Right above it is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is for homeostasis. And one of the things it controls for homeostasis is the pituitary gland, which is your master gland. So you really need this to work. It makes ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone helps you retain water. Oxytocin helps for labor and also for bonding. In guys, you know, now they lay the baby on the skin on purpose because it ups the oxytocin levels of the guy. This part is the thalamus. There are pain and pleasure centers in there. It's a relay station too. And see this number 23? 23 is the pineal gland itself. It's housed in this area, which is the epithalamus. This whole area here is the epithalamus. But this specifically, number 23, is a pineal gland. It secretes melatonin when it gets dark out. Okay? This is the cerebellum for balance, muscle tone, equilibrium. This part here is the corpus callosum. It integrates the right and left hemispheres. See, this is one of those spaces, those ventricles filled with cerebrospinal fluid. I had a train of thought and then it went. Where did it go? Oh, I know. Okay. Do you see this part here?
Mhm.
That's your hippocampus and your the A word,
Amygdala.
amygdala. Okay. Which is your, where you store deep-rooted memories, deep-rooted fears. It's tied directly in with cranial nerve number 1 here, which is the olfactory. This is called the olfactory bulb, right up here in front. That's the best cranial nerve you can see on these models. I think that's it. Oh, we did lobes, right? That's pretty much it.
What about fissures? Do we have to do those?
I'm not going to do the fissures.
Oh, the arbor vitae or whatever.
Oh, the tree of life. Thank you. See, there's white matter within the cerebellum. It's just called the arbor vitae, the tree of life. You know, the brain, everything is kind of, it's unique that the white matter is in the middle, like cauliflower. But again, that white matter is secreted by what type of neuroglia cells in the brain? Oglodendrocytes, yep. Neurolemmacytes, which are commonly called Schwann cells, secrete the myelin sheath in the PNS.